rising slowly, golden light upon the sea. I walk along the quiet shoreline, where my heart feels wild and free. The waves are moving with the rhythm, like a song the ocean knows. Every worry that I carried feels lighter as the water flows. I have walked through many seasons, I have faced the wind and rain, held the weight of heavy moments, carried stories full of pain. But the ocean keeps reminding me that nothing stays the same. Every storm will find an ending, every heart can heal again. Let the tide wash away the sorrow, let the breeze calm my mind. There is beauty in this moment, there is peace that I can find. Waves carry my worries away, taking my troubles with the tide today. The ocean whispers you'll be alright, bringing hope into my life. Waves carry my worries away, leaving brighter skies along the way. With the reggae rhythm and the sea, I find the peace inside of me. Waves carry my worries away, like a new beginning with every wave. I breathe in freedom, I let go, and follow where the gentle waters flow. The palm trees dance beside the shoreline, moving softly with the breeze. The birds are singing in the distance, flying high above the seas. The island feels like a reminder that life can be simple and bright. Sometimes all we really need is a peaceful heart and morning light. The reggae drums are slowly playing, a melody so warm and true. The ocean paints 1,000 pictures, every shade of green and blue. I leave behind the endless searching for the things I cannot control, and I find a little paradise living quietly within my soul. Every wave brings a message, every tide reveals a truth. Life is made of little moments, in the beauty they produce. Waves carry my worries away, taking my troubles with the tide today. The ocean whispers you'll be alright, bringing hope into my life. Waves carry my worries away, leaving brighter skies along the way. With the reggae rhythm and the sea, I find the peace inside of me. When the evening paints the horizon with a golden ocean glow, I remember all the lessons that the journey helped me know. Every struggle made me stronger, every challenge helped me grow. Like the river meets the ocean, I have found my way to flow. The moon appears above the water, stars are shining in the sky. I can feel the calm around me as the waves are passing by. No more holding on to yesterday, no more fear of what may come. I will trust the road before me and the rising morning sun. Let the waves carry the worries, let the ocean take the pain. place. Now the night is calm and peaceful. The ocean shines beneath the moon. The island breeze keeps softly singing a familiar island tune. I look back at all my worries and I smile because I see they were only passing moments. They were never stronger than me. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to start again. The waves will keep on moving forward, just like every human heart can. With the ocean as my teacher and the rhythm as my guide, I will keep walking with my hope, with the sea right by my side. Waves carry my worries away, turning yesterday into a brighter day. The ocean whispers through the night, you are stronger, you'll be alright. Waves carry my worries away, bringing peace with every wave. With the reggae rhythm and the sea, I found the best part of me. Waves carry my worries away, forever flowing through my days. The island breeze, the ocean blue, remind me. The morning sun is waking slowly, golden rays across the land. The ocean breeze is softly moving, like a blessing from the sand. The palm trees dance above the shoreline. The birds are singing in the blue. I take a breath and feel the moment. A simple life, a dream come true. No need to rush into tomorrow, no need to chase what I don't need. The island teaches me the beauty of a heart that can be free. Every wave becomes a reminder, every sunrise brings new light. Life is more than just a journey, it's the peace we feel inside. Slow down, listen to the ocean, feel the rhythm of the sea. Every moment is a treasure, every breath can set you free. Living slow under the tropical sky, watching the clouds and the birds fly high. With the ocean breeze and the reggae sound, I found my peace on this beautiful ground. Living slow under the tropical sky, where my worries disappear and fly. Palm trees swaying, waves rolling by, I'm living my dream beneath the sky. Living slow under the tropical sky, with a grateful heart and a peaceful mind. No need for more than the love I feel. This island life is something real. The afternoon shines on the water, painting diamonds across the sea. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, showing nature's harmony. The reggae rhythm fills the air now, with a gentle island sound. Every heartbeat finds a purpose, every joy is all around. watching the clouds and the birds fly high, with the ocean breeze and the reggae sound. I found my peace on this beautiful ground, living slow under the tropical sky, where my worries disappear and fly. Palm trees sway and waves rolling by. I'm living my dream beneath the sky. When the evening paints the horizon with a golden ocean glow, I sit beside the quiet shoreline, watching gentle waters flow. The moon begins to rise above me, stars appear one by one, and I thank the island for reminding that life is meant to be enjoyed. The road ahead may have some mountains, the seasons may bring change, but I will carry this peace with me wherever I may go someday. Because happiness is not a place or something we must find. It lives inside the little moments that bring comfort to our mind. So let the waves keep on dancing, let the palm trees sing their song, let the island breeze remind us that we have been strong all along. Every storm will pass eventually, every night will meet the dawn. Keep your heart full of gratitude and keep moving forward. Now the stars are shining brighter over the peaceful island sea. The night is calm, the world is quiet, and my heart feels truly free. The sounds of nature surround me like a beautiful melody. The simple life beneath the heavens is the greatest gift to me. Tomorrow brings another morning, another sunrise to embrace, another chance to feel the beauty of this calm and peaceful place. I will keep this silent feeling deep inside my heart forever, living slow beneath the tropical sky, where my soul feels better. Living slow under the tropical sky, where the ocean meets the endless sky, with the reggae rhythm flowing free. I found the peace that was meant for me. Living slow under the tropical sky, forever watching the days go by. Palm trees swaying, hearts feeling light. I'm home beneath this paradise. Living slow under the tropical sky, a beautiful dream that will never die, with love and peace surrounding me. This is where my heart wants to be. The waves roll in, the waves roll out. No more fear and no more doubt. The island breeze will always say slow. Sound of the ocean, the gentle whisper in the morning light. The waves are moving with the rhythm, chasing away the darkness of the night. The palm trees dance above the shoreline, the breeze is soft against my skin. I close my eyes and feel the moment, a peaceful journey begins within. I used to carry heavy worries like a storm inside my mind, searching for a place of comfort, searching for a peace I couldn't find. But the ocean taught me patience, and the waves showed me the way, that every heart can find its healing, and every night will meet the day. Let the water wash the sorrow, let the sunshine fill your soul. Every breath is a reminder that your heart can become whole. A peaceful heart by the ocean, where my spirit feels alive. With the waves and the island breeze, I finally learned to thrive. A peaceful heart by the ocean, where my worries drift away. With the reggae rhythm around me, I welcome a brand new day. A peaceful heart by the ocean, underneath the endless blue, where the world feels calm and beautiful, and my soul feels fresh and new. The golden sunlight touches the water, painting colors across the sea. The birds are flying through the heavens like they were born to be free. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, the island sings a gentle tune. The beauty of this simple moment feels like a gift beneath the moon. I no longer chase the shadows or the things I cannot change. I have learned to trust the journey, even when the road feels strange. Every lesson made me stronger, every tear helped me grow. Like a river finds the ocean, I have found my peaceful flow. Feel the rhythm of the shoreline, hear the waves calling your name. There is freedom in the silence, there is beauty after pain. A peaceful heart by the ocean, where my spirit feels alive. With the waves and the island breeze, I finally learned to thrive. A peaceful heart by the ocean, where my worries drift away. With the reggae rhythm around me, I welcome a brand new day. Ooh. When the sunset paints the horizon and the sky turns gold and red, I remember all the blessings and the past that I have led. The ocean holds my memories, the shoreline knows my dreams. The moonlight keeps reminding me life is more than what it seems. There is beauty in the quiet, there is magic in the slow, there is wisdom in the moments that we sometimes fail to know. A smile, a song, a gentle breeze, a wave that meets the sand. These are treasures we discover when we stop and understand. So let your heart find the ocean, let your worries disappear. Let the waves carry the sadness, let the peace replace the fear. Every storm will lose its power, every cloud will move away. The sun will rise again tomorrow, bringing hope into your day. Like the palm trees in the wind, stand strong through every season. Like the ocean moving forward, trust the journey and the reason. Your heart was made for beauty, your soul was made to shine. Peace is waiting forget all my struggles, and I smile at what I've learned. Every challenge had a purpose, every page had to be turned. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to start again, another day to walk with courage, another chance to rise above the rain. But tonight I hold this feeling, this calmness in my heart. The ocean gave me something precious, a beautiful brand new start. A peaceful heart by the ocean, where my dreams can finally breathe. With the waves beneath the moonlight, I found the peace I need. A peaceful heart by the ocean, where my soul has found its home. With the reggae rhythm beside me, I will never feel alone. A peaceful heart by the ocean, forever living wild and free, where the waves sing songs of healing, and the island sets me free. The waves roll up, the waves roll out, carrying away. The morning sun is gently rising, golden light across the sea. The island wakes with peaceful whispers, calling softly back to me. The palm trees sway above the shoreline, the birds are singing in the sky. A brand new day is waiting for me, with endless beauty passing by. I take a moment just to breathe now, feel the warmth upon my face. The ocean breeze is like a blessing, filling every empty space. Yesterday is far behind me, today is where my heart will stay. I am thankful for this moment, for another beautiful day. Feel the sunshine on your shoulders, hear the waves begin to sing. Every morning brings a promise of the joy that life can bring. Morning blessings from paradise, golden skies and ocean tides. Every sunrise brings a reason to believe in brighter times. Morning blessings from paradise, peace and love are by my side. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I feel alive beneath the sky. Morning blessings from paradise, beautiful gift I receive. With a grateful heart and open hands, I find the peace I need. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, colors shining everywhere. The gentle breeze moves through the island, carrying a song so rare. The ocean dances with the sunlight, like a dream across the blue. Every little piece of nature feels like something fresh and new. I remember all the hard days, when the road was not so clear, when I searched for hope and answers, when I carried doubt and fear. But the seasons kept on changing, and the storms all passed away. Now I stand beneath to believe in brighter times. Morning blessings from paradise, peace and love are by my side. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I feel alive beneath the sky. The island road is stretching forward, leading somewhere beautiful. Every step becomes a memory, every moment meaningful. The sound of drums across the distance moves gently with the morning air. It reminds me life is precious and there is beauty everywhere. No need to chase the endless treasures, no need to run behind the sun. Sometimes happiness is waiting in the simple things we've done. A smile from someone beside you, a peaceful walk along the shore, a heart that knows to be grateful will always find much more. When the clouds return tomorrow and the rain begins to fall, I will remember this morning and the blessings through it all. Like the flowers after rainfall, like the ocean after storms, every heart can find its beauty, every soul can be reborn. The sun will rise again tomorrow, the waves will find the shore. Life will bring another blessing and a reason to hope for more. So I'll keep my heart open and let gratitude lead my way, because every morning brings a miracle, waiting for a brand new day. Oh, oh. The more the afternoon is glowing, but the peace remains the same. The island keeps on reminding me that life is not a race to win. The beauty of this paradise lives inside the heart we share, in the music and the ocean, in the love that fills the air. When the evening starts approaching and the golden colors fade, I will carry this sweet feeling like a memory gently saved. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another blessing to receive, and I'll wake up with a thankful heart, ready to believe. Morning blessings from paradise, forever shining in my heart. Every sunrise brings new hope, every day a brand new start. Morning blessings from paradise, where my spirit feels. The island where my soul rests ever. I have traveled many roads before, searching for a place to heal, walking through the storms of life, trying to find what's real. I carry dreams and heavy burdens hidden deep inside my heart, waiting for a place of comfort, waiting for a brand new start. Then I found a peaceful island where the ocean meets the sky, where the palm trees dance so gently and the worries pass me by. The breeze feels like a blessing, the sunshine feels like home. Here I found the quiet answer, I was never meant to roam. Let the waves speak softly, let the ocean set me free. There is healing in this moment, there is peace surrounding me. The island where my soul rests, where my heart can breathe again, where the waves wash away my worries and the sunshine ends the rain. The island where my soul rests, a paradise so pure and true, with the reggae rhythm flowing. I found my way back to you. The island where my soul rests, where my dreams are floating free, a place of love and peaceful waters, where I'm finally meant to be. The morning birds are softly singing as the golden sunlight grows. The flowers bloom beside the pathway and the gentle river flows. The palm trees whisper ancient stories of the beauty of the land. The ocean holds 1,000 secrets written softly in the sand. I remember all the moments when my heart was feeling lost, when I searched for something missing, no matter what the journey cost. But the island showed me patience, taught my spirit how to grow, that the greatest kind of treasure is the peace you come to know. Every sunrise brings a blessing, every sunset brings release. In the rhythm of the ocean, I discovered inner peace. The island where my soul rests, where my heart can breathe again, where the waves wash away my worries and the sunshine ends the rain. The island where my soul rests, a paradise so pure and true, with the reggae rhythm flowing. I found my way back to you. Oh, oh, oh. When the evening paints the water with a golden shade of light, I sit beside the quiet shoreline, watching stars appear at night. The moon reflects upon the ocean like a mirror shining bright, and I feel a deep connection to this peaceful island life. No riches from the world around me could compare to what I feel. No treasure hidden under oceans could replace this love so real. For the beauty is in the simple, in the moments we receive, in a heart that finds forgiveness and a soul that learns to breathe. Let the ocean carry forward all the things I leave behind. Let the island breeze remind me to keep peace inside my mind. Every storm becomes a lesson, every tear becomes a seed. Every journey has a purpose, every heart has what it needs. Like the flowers after rainfall, like the morning after night, every soul can find a garden, every heart can find its light. And wherever life may take me, this one truth will always stay. The peace I found beside the ocean will How the stars are shining softly over waves that touch the shore. The island sleeps beneath the heavens, and my heart needs nothing more. The breeze is singing like a lullaby. The ocean hums along. This beautiful and peaceful feeling becomes my favorite song. Tomorrow brings another morning, another sunrise I will see. But the island lives forever, deep inside the heart of me. For a place is not just land or water, it is the peace we carry through. And this island where my soul rests will always feel like home, so true. The island where my soul rests, where my spirit feels alive, where the ocean sings of freedom and my dreams begin to rise. The island where my soul rests, forever calling me, with the waves and the palm trees dancing. I have found my harmony. The island where my soul rests, a peaceful dream beneath the sun, a place of love, a place of healing, where my journey has begun. The waves roll in, the waves roll out, carrying away every doubt. The palm tree. The morning sun is slowly rising. Golden colors fill the sky. The ocean waves are gently moving as the clouds are drifting by. I walk along the peaceful shoreline, with the sand beneath my feet, feeling grateful for this moment, where my heart and nature meet. I remember all the long days when the world felt hard to face, searching for a little comfort, searching for a peaceful place. But the ocean taught me patience, and the waves showed me the way that happiness can grow within us with each new and beautiful day. Take a breath and feel the rhythm, hear the waves begin to flow. There is beauty in the silence, there is peace we come to know. Calm waters and a happy heart, a peaceful life, a brand new start. With the ocean breeze beside me, I feel freedom in my heart. Calm waters and a happy heart, where my worries drift apart. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I have found my peaceful part. Calm waters and a happy heart, underneath the island sun. Every day is a blessing, every moment is a song. The palm trees sway beside the water, dancing softly with the breeze. The flowers bloom in bright colors, growing happily with ease. The birds are singing in the distance, feels like a dream come true. I no longer chase tomorrow or the things I cannot hold. I have learned that simple moments are the greatest things of gold. A smile from someone beside me, a sunset by the sea, a heart that learns to be thankful is a heart that can be free. Let the ocean heal your spirit, let the sunshine touch your soul. Every wave that reaches the shoreline helps to make your heart feel whole. Calm waters and a happy heart, a peaceful life, a brand new start. With the ocean breeze beside me, I feel freedom in my heart. Calm waters and a happy heart, where my worries drift apart. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I have found my peaceful part. When the evening starts to settle and the sunset paints the sea, I sit beneath the palm trees, feeling who I'm meant to be. The moon begins to shine above me, stars awaken in the sky. The ocean keeps on softly singing as the peaceful night goes by. Life will bring another season, life will bring another tide, but I'll carry this calm feeling always deep within my side. Every storm will have an ending, every cloud will move away. There is always hope returning with the rising of the day. Let the waves carry your worries, let the wind release your fears. Let the beauty of the ocean wash away the heavy years. You are stronger than your struggles, you are brighter than you know. Like the rivers meet the ocean, your true peace will always flow. Keep believing in the journey, keep your heart open and kind. There is magic in the simple things when you slow down your mind. The world's full of beauty waiting for your eyes to see. A peaceful heart is the treasure that can set your spirit free. Now the stars are shining clearly over the Caribbean Sea. The island breeze is softly singing a peaceful melody. I look back at all my footsteps and the lessons they have shown. Every road has led me forward to the peace I now have known. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to smile again, another day to count my blessings, another chance to begin with the ocean as my